Hello and welcome. I'm going to have a go at the second case from the finals of MEWC South Africa. It's called Uncorked by Renier Wessels. It reminded me that a little while before the finals, the team gave out this sort of visual hint of what was coming up, and a few people, myself included, looked at this and assumed that Steyn was going to be doing a reprieve of farming in the land of vines. So I was a little surprised. I saw Uncorked and I was like, yep, something whiny. Yeah, that makes sense. And then I saw it was Renier. I was like, oh, okay. Not what I was expecting. Anyway, enough yak. Let's get solving. I'm going to try and do it to a timer. South African Cape winelands are world renowned for their breathtaking beauty, rich history, and exceptional wines. Nestled among majestic mountains and rolling vineyards, this region combines centuries old Cape Dutch architecture with modern, innovative wine estates. Towns like Stellenbosch, oh god, Franschhoek, and Parle offer a blend of award-winning wineries, fine dining, and cultural heritage, making it a top destination for wine lovers and travelers alike. With its Mediterranean climate, fertile soils, and diverse terroir, the Cape winelands produce some of the finest wines in the world, ranging from bold reds to crisp whites and celebrated sparkling wines. You kind of want to go visit there now. Your task is to assist a new wine farm owner with planning where to plant which grapevines in order to maximize the production of each wine as well as balance the demand of the farm. You are given a map of the farm with different soil types per square 10-meter block of the farm, with letters denoting each field by code A to S. Let's have a look. Sorry, wrong one. Here. Okay. So we got the map, and then we've got various other. These numbers, yes. Just slightly wider numbers, I guess. Yes. Okay. Cool. The values tested for nitrogen, for phosphorus, and potassium. Okay, so this definitely feels like it wants to be flattened. So let's flatten it. This. Oh no, there is more information here than that. So okay, we've got, I think, then 5 characteristics that we need to deal with. So first, let's do this, and then let's do this. And let's do this, and I'll use my handy dandy right color. Will I? There we go. Right color from Legend. And then I'll, oops, sorry, I didn't mean to call it up again, and get rid of the errors. Those are just the outsides. Okay. So now I want letter color in PK. So there's going to be 2col of all of this stuff, 3 2col of all of this. Did I get it all? Yes. 3. And then we can take this. And add map in. Yes, good. And then do the same for P and K. Not P to what? What even was that? Never mind. Trying to be helpful, I'm sure. Okay. And then I also want the address. Which would be flat. No, I haven't imported my lambdas. It would help to import my lambdas. God, 3 minutes in and I haven't even looked at a question yet. That's when you know things are not necessarily going well. Anyway, so we'll flatten. Sorry, I need to do it over here. So if this is not equal to blank, then I want the addresses of that. Addresses of that. Okay. Now, oh dear, no. How on earth are these not all the same size? That's very concerning. Boy, is there a blank that has a color? Really? Really? What have I done here? Okay, let's just do it. Let's just try. Start from here, there. No, I need to go higher. Higher. There we go. Right. Down to the bottom. Across to here. And I want to know that that is not equal to blank, while at the same time the other one is equal to blank. Now I'm really losing time, but anyway. So we go here, here. Nope, one further down, here and here. All the way up to there and there. The answer is yes, there is one. Oh my God. How can you do this to me? There it is. Okay, so it's the 49th and 45th. What on earth? No cells were found. Where is it? 39, 40. 40 is going to be somewhere over here. Ah, there it is. There it is. Okay, what? Which cell on the map is only colored cell not allocated to a field code? Okay, so I guess, I don't know what that means we do. Well, I mean, there it is anyway, AU51. So now I know it was intentional, but what on earth do you want me to do with it? Which field? Just the letter. Oh, sorry, I'm going to hide these. Okay, wow. So what do I do with this? I have to give it something, otherwise it won't behave. So I'm going to give it X. Ooh, can I? I don't. Oh, I'm not very happy with this. All right, no. Instead, what I'm going to do is just delete that. And now these are all the same. And these are all the same size. And wow, oof, stressful start. Okay. So sorry, this color is what? This is field. And the color is type. Okay, and then there is it Control Shift F3? No, Alt Shift F3. There's some Shift F3 that I really need to learn that names from the top, but never mind, fine, I can't find it. I'm just going to name them myself. That's add field type N P N K. Okay, 6.5 minutes in. I haven't done a thing yet. I've done one question. Anyway, whatever. Which field does the cell? Okay, so this should be simple. X lookup this in add returning from field. Good. Happy days. What type of soil is contained within the cells below? So X lookup this in add returning from type. Good. Okay. Level 3, soil type counts per field. What is the count of the soil type contained in the... Okay, so it should be countifs where field is that and type is that. And I'm looking for 32, I think. Yes, good. All right, I mean, this is the benefit of setting up nicely. Level 4, calculate the production potential per wine grape for the following fields. The annual production yield per block at 100% is 1 ton per annum. Well, okay, on field M, producing Shiraz, there will be 6 shale blocks at 75%. Okay, got it. So the field and the grape tells you the potential. Okay. So I think what I want is filter type where field equals that. And then let's just do most of that. I might want to change that back in a minute, but for now, there are 6 shales. Yes, okay. Fine. So then we're going to XLOOKUP. Actually, sorry, let's give this name. Is this? Actually, yeah, let's do this. Let's do yield. Then it should be TLOOKUP in yield. That's the row, and the column is this. And that gives me that, and I add those up, and I get 69.75. Yes. So just sum times 1,000. Am I rounding? That's an interesting question. Are these all? Yeah, I think there should not be any need to round. Okay, good. Ooh, didn't like that. Why not? Why not? Okay. What on earth? Come back to TLOOKUP. All NA. Okay, that's not promising. Chenin. Oh, wait, Chenin Blanc is. Yeah, not listed. What's going on here? Okay. I guess I need to go and learn something about Chenin Blanc. I've got a hidden column. Whoops. Yes, because I hid the answer column. Okay. Right. It's not completely without consequence to change the setup. Okay, so we just expand that name and then we should be good. I'll go back to hiding that column. Oh, okay. Sorry, Renier, I was bad-mouthing you in my mind there, but totally unjustified. All right, hang on, let's just see how many. Okay, level 5 is the last level. Okay. Building on the logic of level 4, calculate the production potential with the additional logic below. Wine grapes require essential macronutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. And find the ideal nutrient counts per grape type per block. On the map sheets, you will find the actual macronutrients. Yes, the absolute aggregate percentage difference between the nutrient counts per block. The ideal reduces. Okay. Both deviations above and below the ideal will reduce. Okay. So let's start by just grabbing this again and get rid of the sum and the times 1000. So we get, these are the initial productions. And actually, sorry, let's let types be that, and I don't know, call it base yield be this with the types. And then I want to choose rows of each stack. What's the order they come in PK. There's an X match types against type. No, wait, what? X match type? No. Sorry, I don't want to choose rows at all. I want to filter. Getting lost. Filter all of that where field equals this. And this is called NPK. And then for a second, let's just hstack types base NPK. Okay, so is there one on field D producing Shiraz? The ideal N would be 30. On the field in the first cell is 06. Consists of duplex soil, 43, 24, 175. Good, that's the example I wanted to work through. All right, so so what I want is, I think, the absolute value of this over. Okay, fine. Well, just I'll make it look up in a minute, but for now, over this minus 1. And that comes to, comes to 40% between the three of them. 39.8. Yes, good. Happy days. Okay, so we'll call it NPK hit is by row absolute value of NPK over XLOOKUP grape type in this lock returning from this lock. Absolute value of that by row sum. And then let's just add in NPK hit. And you can shift over. No. What? Oh, wait, I think I missed a -1. No, that wouldn't explain. Oh, yes, it would explain because the -1 comes out here. There we go. Okay. So then I want, I think I just want sum of 1000 times base times NPK, times base minus NPK hit. And then I probably do need to round this time. 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8. Yes, good. Let's just check round. Hello. Wait, does it mention rounding? No, it does not. Ah, look at that. It does it for you. I love that. That's beautiful. That's excellent. Okay. In which case, I guess I'll trust that I can just do this. I reserve the right to still say I solved this case if I get all the answers wrong because they're not rounded. But anyway, okay. Bonuses. Which field, just a letter, has the most duplex soil? Okay, so we want to group by field values is minus type equals D, rows 0, 0, -2, and then I think I just want at of that. Okay, which field has the highest number of different soil types? Ooh, interesting. Okay. I think I can do a basically similar setup to this, but so type, and I want lambda x rows of unique of x. I think that'll work. Slightly nervous. I'm just going to take it out and do one quick test. Oh dear, 963. I've got something wrong, I think that means. Bother. Anyway, fine. So I has 7. We can just spot check I then, I guess. One, two, three, four, five. Yeah, that looks good. And just pick any other one. C has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C has 5. Okay, good. Seems to be working. Using level 4's logic, which grape would have the highest production potential on field K? So, just want to take this. I want to replace the field with K, and I want to say map the list of, map the list of these, but out one more column, C, D, E, F for the hidden one, and then it's going to be lambda group, group. And we're interested in which one is the highest, so I guess we'll just say, take this reference. I'll say x lookup 10 to the 6. I always assume 10 to the 6 is bigger than everything. Let's go 10 to the 9 just in case. In that, returning from here, exact match our next smaller item. And good thing I unhid because I think it's the one that was hidden. Okay, so plonk that in, and we got one more. Using level 5's logic, which field has the highest potential production for any single grape? Okay, so we need to map both the fields and the grapes. Yeah, screw it. Let's just make a giant map. So we're going to say unique of field, lambda FLD, and then map my list of grapes, which is here, lambda GRP. No, this double map isn't going to work actually, because I want to get. What do I actually need to do? I need to know the field that has the highest. Okay, fine. So then yes, I just want the max of all of these. So max of all of this. No, wait, stop. I'm not done yet, you silly thing. Close, 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 close. 5 close, I was expecting 4, but okay. Oh yeah, the max as well as, fine. So now, field is FLD, grape is GRP, field is FLD, grape is GRP, and we're good. You didn't like that. Oh, bother. Probably trying to return an array of arrays? Nested arrays, yes. Why is it? For each field. Oh, sorry, I put the max in the wrong place, that's why. Take that out and put it here. And hopefully my closing brackets are in the right place, and they seem to be. Okay, so then we're gonna XLOOKUP 10 to the 6, 10 to the 9, 10 to the 10, 10 to the 12, whatever in this, returning from unique field, exact match our next smaller item. I think that's the answer. Wait. Yes, field. Okay, good. All right. That's time. Let's see. I got something wrong. Yep. Let's see what it was. Huh. Got most duplex soil wrong? Ah, yeah. Yep. Because this is a classic group by mistake. So I often use rows, but this is not a filter. So let's just take a quick look, because this is worth elaborating on, mostly for myself, because it's a silly mistake to make. So I did minus that equals D. And so that gave me zeros where it's not duplex, ones somewhere, oh, sorry, wrong. Sorry, not field, minus type equals duplex. That gives me ones where it's duplex, zeros where it's not. So then if I group by field by this and rows, it's going to give me all the rows. So in other words, let's just take field A. Field A has 178 rows in total, of which the duplex are only 32. So to do this right, you need to either do sum instead, and then it's only counting the duplex, or you can put kind of anything in here, like field say, and then use the ones and zeros as the filter. And that'll get you, well, I was going to say that'll get you the same thing. It actually won't get you the same thing because that won't include the fields that have 0, which were there a minute ago. But anyway, okay, so slap on the wrist for me for using group by in a silly way. So we will change this to sum, and that still not right. Oh, yeah, because it's type equals duplex. Ah, so bad. Okay, multiple mistakes in that one. Okay, level 1's good, 2's good, 3's good, 4. Oh, 4's not good. All right, and 5. The example is wrong? I didn't change the, oh, I did change the example. Whoops. Okay. Maybe just the example needs to be rounded. I don't know. Anyway, I'm pretty sure I matched the example. Wait, am I doing it in the right place? Yes. No, wait, what? What's going on here? Oh, okay, so I guess we're supposed to round it to 2 decimal places. Fine. Anyway, I think it's only doing that for the example for whatever reason. There we go. Okay, so what's gone wrong in level 4? Probably I missed rounding or something. Oh, no, maybe it's... Oh, no, this isn't... Sorry, I was thinking of this one where you subtract off. I was wondering if I'd ever gone negative, but no, that's not it. Let's just take a quick look. Am I off by a little or off by a lot? Sorry, wrong one. This one. Oh, it's probably the rounding. Yes, it is. Okay. Well, there you go. I said to myself, I'm not going to round because they're whole numbers. Stupid. Always round. All right, well, still basically happy with that. Yeah, so slap on the wrist for that, slap on the wrist for not remembering to round. But that was a fun case, except that, you know, this Renier stressing me out, man. All right. Thank you, Renier, for a fun case. Thank you, Team South Africa, for a fun season. There's still one more case to go. Something to do with aliens, something by Stain, probably. I'm looking forward to it. That's all I got for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.